we are going to study World Heritage Sites in India as of 2025. So without wasting any time, let's go deep into the knowledge that we are going to gain today. Now, the first, what we are going to do is year wise we are going to do. So the first was in 1983 World Heritage Site was Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra district, in Aurangabad district, Maharashtra state. Another one was Ellora Caves in 1983, same Aurangabad districts in Maharashtra state, and this comprise 34 monasteries and temples. It is a group of 34 monasteries and temples, Ellora Caves in Maharashtra state. The another one is Agra Fort in 1983, Uttar Pradesh, Agra district. It comprises of many fairy tale palaces such as the Jahangir Palace, Khas Mahal, built by Shah Jahan, audience halls such as Diwane Khas, and two very beautiful mosques. So Agra Fort is a comprehensive, means it consists of different kinds of places, palaces, and it was built by Shah Jahan. It is present in Agra district. Another one is Taj Mahal in 1983, Agra district, Uttar Pradesh. The Taj Mahal is located on the right bank of Yamuna River in vast Mughal garden. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. Now, Sun Temple Konark was uh, recognized as WHC by UNESCO in 1984, which is situated in state of Orissa, Puri district, and it is a monumental representation of sun's god Surya chariot. It has 24 wheels and decorated with symbolic designs, and it is led by a team of 6 horses. Group of monuments at Mahabalipuram, 1984, Tamil Nadu. It was founded by Pallava kings, was carved out of rock along the Coromandel coast. It is known especially for its rathas, temples in the form of chariots. So rathas is temples in the form of chariots. Mandapas, which means cave sanctuaries, guest open air reliefs such as famous descent of the Gangas and the temple of Raivij with thousands of sculptures to the glory of Shiva. Then Kaziranga National Park 1985, State of Assam. It is inhabited by the world's largest population of one-horned rhinoceros, as well as many mammals, tigers, and elephants, panthers, bears, and thousands of birds. Kaziranga National Park in the state of Assam is famous for having world's largest population of one-horned rhinoceros, which are seen in this forest. Then Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, 1985, same state of Assam. It is home to great variety of wildlife, including many endangered species such as tiger, pygmy hog, Indian rhinoceros, and Indian elephant. It is a natural World Heritage Site. Then Kailadev National Park, 1985, in the state of Rajasthan. This former duck hunting reserve of the Maharajas is one of the major wintering areas for a large number of aquatic birds from Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, China, Siberia. Some 364 species of bird, including rare Siberian crane, have been recorded in this park. So it is famous for birds who migrate to this place from different countries. Now, churches and convents of Goa, 1986 in Goa. They are influential in spreading forms of Malunin, Mannerist, and Baroque art in all the countries of Asia. So, when it comes to Baroque, Mannerist, and Manuelin art, we can see that in Asia, churches and convents are Goa for famous for it. Then Khajuraho group of monuments, 1986, Madhya Pradesh. They were built during the Chandela dynasty, belong to two different religions, Hinduism and Jainism. What is a famous thing, what is an important point of this group of monuments at Khajuraho is that it is two different religion types of temples were built by Chandela dynasty, which is Hinduism and Jainism. Then group of monuments at Hampi, 1986, Karnataka, right? They comprise mainly the remnants of capital city of Vijayanagar Empire, the last great Hindu kingdom. Vijayanagar Empire was the last great Hindu kingdom who used to live here at the great monuments of Hampi in Karnataka. Then Fatehpur Sirki, 1986, Uttar Pradesh, in Agra district. Built by the Emperor Akbar, Fatehpur Sirki, the city of victory, was the capital of Mughal emperor for for only 10 years. The complex of monuments and temples, all in a uniform architectural style, includes one of the largest mosques in India, the Jama Masjid. So the Jama Masjid is a part of Fatehpur Sirki, Agra district, and is recognized as WSC. Group of monuments at Patadakkal, 1987, Karnataka. An impressive series of 9 Hindu temples as well as Jain sanctuary as well can be seen there. One masterpiece from the group stands out, the temple of Virupaksha, built in 740 by Queen Lokamahadevi to commemorate her husband's victory over the kings of the south. So the Padakkal monuments can be seen in Karnataka and was built by Queen Loha Mahadevi. Then 1983, Elephanta Caves, Maharashtra state, also called as Island of Elephanta. It contains a collection of rock cut art linked to cult of Shiva. So Elephanta Caves is related to the art with the hell with in relation to cult of Shiva in Maharashtra state. Then Great Living Chola Temple, 1987, built by kings of Chola Empire. The site includes three great 11th and 12th century temples, the Brihadivasara temple at Tanjore, the Brihadivasara temple at Gangankonda Cholivaram and Airavestavara temple at Darasuram. So these three temples together was built by Chola Empire, and this is called together as Great Living Chola Temples 1987. Now Sundarban National Parks 1987 West Bengal. It contains the world's largest area of mangrove forest. A number of rare or endangered species live in this park, including tigers, aquatic mammals, birds, and reptiles. Nanda Devi and the Valley of Flowers National Parks, 1988, Uttarakhand. This richly diverse area is also home to rare and endangered animals, including Asiatic black bear, snow leopard, brown bear, and blue sheep. If you see rare and endangered animals like Asiatic black bear, snow leopard, brown bear, and blue sheep, this richly diverse area can be seen by Nanda Devi Valley of Flowers and National Parks in Uttarakhand. What a beautiful view you can see from here. Then Buddhist monuments at Sanchi, 1989, Madhya Pradesh. The inception of Sanchi as a sacred center is attributed to the Mauryan Empire Ashoka. It is the oldest Buddhist sanctuary in existence. So you can see Mauryan Empire built this Buddhist monuments at Sanchi. Humayun's tomb, 1993, in Delhi. It was the first garden tomb of Indian subcontinent. So if anyone asks you what is the first garden tomb on Indian subcontinent, then the answer would be Humayun's tomb, which is present in the Delhi. Qutub Minar and its monuments, 1993, Delhi. The ensemble of mosques, minars, and other structures in the Qutub Minar complex is an outstanding testimony to the architectural and artistic achievements of Islamic rulers after they have established first their power in Indian subcontinent. Mountain Ranges of India, 1999, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh. So it comprises in three states, which is West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, and it is mountain railways. Even today, they are working. It consists of three railways: the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, located in the foothills of Himalayas in West Bengal, The Nilgiri Mountain Railways located in Nilgiri Hills of Tamil Nadu and the Kalka Shimla Railway located in Himalayan foothills of Himachal Pradesh. So to remember, we will again repeat this. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is located in West Bengal. Nilgiri Mountain Railway is located in Nilgiri Hills of Tamil Nadu and Kalka Shimla Railway can be seen in Himachal Pradesh. Then Mahabodhi Temple Complex 2002, Bodh Gaya. It is one of the four holy sites related to the life of Lord Buddha and particularly to the attainment of enlightenment. The Mahabodhi Temple complex is the first temple built by Emperor Ashoka. So Ashoka built the first temple of Lord Buddha was Mahabodhi Temple at Bodh Gaya. Rock shelters of Bhimbetka 2003 Madhya Pradesh. There are in foothills of Vindhyan Mountains on the southern edge of the central Indian plateau. Rock shelters of Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, formerly known as Victoria Terminus 2004, Maharashtra State, Mumbai. Designed by F. W. Stevens, it is an outstanding example of Victorian Gothic revival architecture in India, blended with themes deriving from Indian traditional and architecture. So it is a mix of Western as well as Indian traditional architecture. Now Champaner Pavagadh Archaeological Park 2004, which is present in Gujarat. A concentration of largely unexcavated archaeological, historic and living cultural heritage properties cradled in an impressive landscape which includes prehistoric Chalcolithic sites, a hill forest of all early Hindu capital. Red Fort Complex 2007, Delhi. The Red Fort complex was built as a palace for Shah Jahanabad, the new capital of 5th Mughal Emperor of India, Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan wanted this this Red Fort, also called as Shah Jahanabad, as the capital of its 5th Mughal Emperor, which is Shah Jahan. The Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Jantar Mantar can be also seen in Delhi as and other two places also. So there are total four Jantar Mantars in India. And the Jantar Mantar in Jaipur was established and understood as a World Heritage Site in 2010. The Jantar Mantar is a collection of 19 astronomical instruments built by Rajput King Savai Jai Singh, the founder of Jaipur. The founder of Jaipur was Rajput King Savai Jai Singh in Rajasthan. The instrument allow the observation of astronomical positions with the naked eye. The observatory is an example of Ptolemaic positional astronomy which was shared by many civilizations. So this type of astronomy can be seen by many civilizations as well. Now Western Ghats 2012, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So Western Ghats are present in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. At least 325 globally threatened species, which are IUCN Red List data, occur in Western Ghats. The globally threatened flora and fauna in the Western Ghats are represented by 229 plant species, 31 mammal species, 15 bird species, 43 amphibian species, 5 reptile species, and 1 fish species. So, of the total 325 globally threatened species in Western Ghats, 129 are classified as vulnerable, 145 as endangered, and 51 as critically endangered. So you can see how important Western Ghats of Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu, how much they are important for the biodiversity. You can understand from this. Hill Forts of Rajasthan 2013 in Rajasthan. The serial site situated in the state of Rajasthan includes 6 majestic forts in Chittorgarh, Kumlagarh, Savai Madhopur, Jalapur, Jaipur, Jaisalmer. The forts use the natural defense offered by the landscape, which is hills, desert, rivers, and dense forest. They also feature extensive water harvesting structures, largely still in use today as well. Then Rani Ki Vav at Patan, Gujarat, 2014. Rani Ki Vav is an exceptional example of distinctive form of subterranean water architecture of the Indian subcontinent, the step well, which is located on the banks of Saraswati River in Patan. Great Himalayan National Park Conservation Area 2014, Himachal Pradesh. So you can see Great Himalayan National Park Conservation Area in Himachal Pradesh. This national park is the western part of Himalayan mountain in the northern Indian state of Himachal Pradesh and is characterized by high alpine peaks, alpine meadows, and riverine forest. Nalanda Mahavira at Nalanda, Bihar 2016. In comprises of the archaeological remains of monastic and scholastic institution dating from 3rd century BCE to 13th century CE. It includes stupas, shrines, viharas. Viharas is residential and educational buildings and important artwork in stone and metal. Nalanda stands out as the most ancient university of Indian subcontinent. Kanchenjunga Kanchenjunga National Park, Sikkim, 2016. Located at the heart of Himalayan range in northern India, state of Sikkim, the Kanchenjunga National Park includes a unique diversity of plains, valleys, lakes, glaciers, and spectacular snow-capped mountains covered with ancient forest, including the world's third highest peak, Mountain Kanchenjunga. So Mountain Kanchenjunga is third highest peaks in the world. The architectural work of Le Corbusier in Chandigarh, chosen from the work of Le Corbusier, the 17 sites comprising this transnational serial property are spread over 7 countries, which is Argentina, Belgium, France, Germany, India, and Japan, and Switzerland. Ahmedabad, 2017, Gujarat. The walled city of Ahmedabad was founded by Sultan Ahmad Shah in 1411 AD on the eastern bank of Sabarmati River. It contained the flourish as the capital of state of Gujarat for 6 centuries. It notably the Bandra citadel, the walls, gates of Fort City, and numerous mosques and tombs, as well as important Hindu and Jain temples. So Ahmedabad is a mixture of different kind of culture that we can see. Victorian Gothic and Art Deco assembles of Mumbai 2018, Maharashtra. Today, the Oval Maiden offers a spectacular ensemble of Victorian Gothic building on its eastern side and another impressive ensemble of Art Deco buildings on the western side as a testimony to the modernization phases that Mumbai went through, leading to modern India into 1947. Jaipur City 2019, Rajasthan. The walled city of Jaipur in North Indian state of Rajasthan was founded in 1727 by Savai Jai Singh. The streets feature continuous colonnaded business that intersect in the center, creating large public squares called chaupas, markets, shops, residences, and temple built along the main street have uniform facades. The city urban planning shows an exchange of ideas from ancient Hindu and early modern Mughal as well as Western cultures. So it is a mixture of ancient Hindu, early modern Mughal, and as well as Western cultures. So it is a mixture of all these things. Jaipur city. Kakatiya Rudreshwara Rampa Temple in Telangana, 2021. It is the main Shiva temple in walled complex built during the Kakatiyan period 1123 to 1323 CE under the rules of Rudradeva and Rechala Rudra. Now Dholivara, a Harappan city, 2021, Gujarat. The ancient city of Dholivara, the southern center of the Harappan civilization. The property comprises two parts, a walled city and a sanctuary to the west to the society. The walled city consists of fortified castle with attached fortified bailey and ceremonial ground and a fortified middle town and a lower town. A series of reservoirs are found to the east and south of the citadel. The great majority of the burial in the sanctuary are memorial in nature. Shantiniketan in 2023, West Bengal. Now, Shantiniketan was a residential school and center for the art based on ancient Indian traditions and the vision of unity of humanity, transcending religious and cultural boundaries. Shantiniketan in West Bengal was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. Sacred assembles of Holsalas 2023 Karnataka. It consists of three most representative Hoysala style temples complexes constructed between 11th 12th century in the 11th, 12th and 13th century in the present state of Karnataka, namely the Channakeshava temple in Bellur, the Hoslavara temple in Halebendu, and the Keshava temple in Somnathpura. Then Moidans, the mound burial system of Ahom dynasty, Assam, 2024. So Moidans, the mound burial system of Ahom dynasty are royal mound burial necropolis established by the Thai Ahom in the northeastern India. Set in the foothills of the Patakai range, it is eastern Assam. The property remains features sacred to the Thai Ahom and demonstrate their funerary traditions. Banyan trees and trees used for coffins and barks. Maratha military landscape of India 2025. Maharashtra. The property includes 12 major fortifications, mostly in Maharashtra state, with one of the Tamil Nadu. These forts, such as Raigad, Shivneri, Sindhudurg, were built, adapted, and explained by the Marathas. Strategically located on the coastal and mountainous terrain, they formed a complex defense system supporting Maratha military dominance, trade, protection, and terrorist control. So, for today, we have understood that there are 44 World Heritage Sites in India as of 2025. I hope this was useful to you, and let's see different kinds of state-wise World Heritage Sites. So, in the state of Assam, Kaziranga National Park, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Moidams, Mount Burial System of Ahom Dynasty can be seen in Assam. In Bihar, Mahabodhi Temple Complex at Bodh Gaya and Nalanda Mahavira in Bihar. Chandigarh, architectural work of Le Corbusier. In Delhi, Humayun's tomb, Qutub Minar and its monument, Red Fort complex can be seen in Delhi. Humayun's tomb, Qutub Minar and its monument, and Red Fort complex. Then in Goa, churches and convents of Goa. In Gujarat, there are four World Heritage Sites like Champaner Pavagad Archaeological Park, Rani Ki Vav, historic city of Ahmedabad, Dholivara, a Harappan city, and Himachal Pradesh, Great Himalayan National Park. In Karnataka, groups of monuments at Hampi, group of monuments at Patakadal, and scared ensembles of Hoysalas. So there are three monument groups in Karnataka. Then in Kerala, Western Ghats only. Then Madhya Pradesh, Khajuraho group of monuments, Buddhist monument at Sanchi, rock shelters of Bimbakheta are found in Madhya Pradesh. So there are three. Then in Maharashtra, a large number of monuments can be seen. Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, Elephanta Caves, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, then Victorian Gothic and Art Deco Assembles of India, then Western Ghats, Maratha military landscapes of India. Then in Odisha, Sun Konark Temple. Then Rajasthan, Kelo Dev National Park, Jantar Mantar Jaipur, Hill Forts of Rajasthan, and Jaipur city. Very important Jaipur city because it is a mixture of three kinds of culture: Western, Indian, and Mughal. Sikkim, Kanchenjunga National Parks is a mixed. Only in India, there is only one mixed World Heritage Site, which is Kanchenjunga National Park present in Sikkim. Others are either cultural or natural. Then Tamil Nadu, group of monuments at Mahabalipuram, Great Living Chola Temple, Mountain Railway of Nilgiri, Western Ghats. There are four in Tamil Nadu. In Telangana, Rampa Temple, Kakatiya Rudreshwara. In Uttar Pradesh, Agra Fort, Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri. In Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi and Valleys of Flower National Park. In West Bengal, Sundarban National Park and Shanti Niketan. So there are two in West Bengal. So this was for today. Thank you for if you have reached here, your time is really valuable to us, and thank you for you know uh, supporting us, and keep supporting us, and be connected to the new content that we are going to bring every time. Thank you very much. Namaste.